Good afternoon from the Wisconsin Weather Center. Senior student meteorologist Ryan Cassano here to bring you the weather today in Danbury. And we got some clouds rolling into the area right now, and we have a temperature of 36 degrees with winds out of the southeast at 7 miles an hour. Now as those clouds come in, they're going to bring some cloudy skies for the rest of the week into the end of the week, and along with that we'll have some rain from Thursday into Friday. Now we do have some sun popping in for Saturday and Sunday, but that's going to be accompanied by a temperature drop on Saturday. Now a lot of the east is pretty clear. We do have some clouds starting to stream in from the west, and we do have some clouds starting to stream into our area as well as we speak, with high pressure going offshore out of the area and this low pressure coming in from the west along with this cold front. This will be reaching us by late Thursday, bringing in those showers and the rain for Friday as well. Now, while we do have a cold front and high pressure behind it, these two alone will not be responsible for that Saturday weather, as if you take a gander up here to the north in Canada, we also have another cold front with high pressure building behind it that'll be making its way down to us by Saturday. As for tonight, we have a seasonably chilly low of 23 degrees with some partly cloudy skies and some light winds out of the south. For tomorrow, light winds out of the south gusting up to 10 miles per hour every now and then, some cloudy skies and a seasonably cool temp of 40 degrees. Now, later on Thursday, around 7 or 8 p.m., we start to see a chance of a mix entering the area, and that overnight into Friday will be turning into more steady rain. You may see a break somewhere in the late morning, early afternoon, but for the most part, a lot of Friday is going to be pretty rainy. Temperatures in the low to mid 40s, and then for Saturday, we see that cold air come in, dropping temperatures down to the low 30s, and an overnight low of 17 into Sunday. So it's going to be pretty chilly. We start seeing the sun again too, partly sunny Saturday and sunny Sunday with temperatures going up to 38, and then temperatures up to 48 on Monday. However, we start seeing those clouds come back and we have a chance of showers in the mid-afternoon. Now be sure to follow us on our social media. This has been Senior Student Meteorologist Ryan Cassano, and have a lovely day.